I could do it though. I could do it though. I could do it though. Promise you that. Wake up to that beautiful face every day. I love how life's turned out this way. She always used to say have to, never say ever. Get with her, it's the best day ever. Not going back to how it used to be. Having no job, forever smoking weed. So grateful of everything now. People shouting for me to take a bow. I got no story, I got no shit. All I know now is I don't wanna quit. Got my pepper in my pen stored in my rucksack. Earphones repeating this one track. Growing up I never had much. Go to school, couldn't afford a damn lunch. All my friends in a rush, but I'ma stay young, smoking on that kush. Like Wiz, I'ma keep on roll. All you other kids get around and behold. I'ma spit fire till I grow old. That shit's kinda growing mold. I don't want the money, fuck the fame, I'ma stay true here. Let me say it again, I'll promise I'll stay true to my friends, cause the motherfuckers were here from the damn beginning. Yeah, I killed that shit, shout me out boy, man I'm going in. Pitting so much hand with my friends, man I don't wanna quit. Never going back to that old life, man. Bitches on my dick, money everywhere, I don't want that. I want the loving friends that will stay even when I'm rich or poor. Want the best friends in life, I got that too. That's the Jimenez family, hit me up boy, fuck you.
Yeah, so I'ma jump in. Everybody laughing in. How we gon' then? Yeah, we Mexicans, go, we gonna make it to the end. I swear to God, we holding hands. Everything around us, everything spinning, everything around us. And you see the stars, nigga, shine, shine around us. Wanna be around us, but you can't even see us. Nigga, fuck you if you know how to be us. Yeah, we made it like we youngin', but you never got a bunch of, cause your niggas never got it. We so young and we just smoking hot. Yeah, we drinking all this cup, nigga, double cup, sit me up, nigga, syrup. I ain't tryna be cool, I just know act. Everything around me, there's a bunch of acts, no action, nothing cause I'm still good. Riding with my niggas to the end of this wood. Yeah, we still gon' smoke, yeah, we still gonna smoke.
We still gonna smoke, we're gonna repeat that shit. Put it in the backtrack, replay it, DJ bring it back. I'ma do it and go hard as a motherfucker, man. Me and my boy gonna spit a little remix all the way out. This is me and him bringing it out.
So I'ma jump in, you niggas stupid, we just jumping. We got bitches all around us humping, you know dry humping. We ain't even laughing, you stupid hoe, you don't even know nigga. You a stupid hoe, you don't even know.
Bitches dry humping in here now, man. I got my heart as a fucking rock. Looking everywhere, man. I'm blowing hard. Yeah, just puff, nigga, pass that shit. Do it all the way till I'm daydreaming, man. I reach for the sky. I could touch the moon, but that shit looks like cheese and I stinks too. Fuck all this, man. We just blowing it off.
So we finished, so we winning. You bitches never got it, y'all ain't in it. Cause we got it and we killed it. Yeah.